everybody, Michael Norton from Tramazing. Hope you're having a Tramazing day. You know, one of the questions I get is, how am I spending my personal time? I did share how I spend my business time in the past and what my cookbook looks like, but here's what my personal cookbook looks like. Here's how I spend my personal time before work, sometimes a little bit during work, and definitely after work. The very first thing I do when I get up is my Bible study. I do my Bible study and have some folks that we are sharing information via text and online. I also participate in a daily devotional, and that's really important to me as well. So I'm reading my Bible, I'm doing my daily devotions. And then we're part of a prayer group, and I facilitate a lot of part of that prayer group, and it's called Praying With You and For You, and you can find that on Facebook. If you'd like to join Praying With You and For You, come and check us out. So that's the first thing I do. I get myself right and get my head in the right place, my heart in the right place. After that, I text or call or FaceTime each one of my children. Every day I send a text out, just letting them know I'm thinking about them, asking them if they're safe, wishing them a great day. We all live separated from each other. We're not all in the same household or not even in the same community. So it's important for me every single day to make sure that they know I'm thinking about them. Once that time is over, move into my workday, try not to be distracted, try to focus on work, check in as I need to with social media because I don't know who's trying to reach me through that media. And at the end of the day, equally as important is spending good quality family time. We spend time reading, we spend time watching programs on television, we spend time playing games and building jigsaw puzzles. That's our normalcy. My wife and I have been doing that for a very long time. Even though we travel for work, right now we can't. When we weren't traveling, that was our norm. That's how we spend our personal time. I hope you're spending your personal time in a tremendously amazing way.